Can humans be vegan by nature? The forgotten source of B12. Long before supplements and labs, humans lived wild, barefoot on the earth. They drank from rivers, ate fruits pulled fresh from the trees, and breathed with nature. In that world, vitamin B12 was not missing. It came from earth itself, tiny bacteria living in soil and water. Humans ate unwashed roots, drank from natural stream. They unknowingly took in those living microbes, the natural B12 source. Today our world is sterilized, chlorinated, polished, purified, lifeless. We lost the microbes, not the ability. So yes, humans can live vegan. We always did. We just need to remember that B12 never came only from animals. It came from the soil that fed them all. Ancient diets included naturally fermented foods. Fermentation encouraged B12 producing bacteria. So early humans consuming fermented root, curds, grain unknowingly replenished B12. Modern washing, pasteurizing chlorinated water killed helpful bacteria. Less sterile environment meant the ingested microbial B12 regularly from soil, residues and natural water.